Every single day, we wake up with thoughts already running through our mind. Some are hopeful, others are filled with doubt. But here's the truth. The kind of thoughts you feed your mind shape the kind of life you live. Earl Nightingale once said, "We become what we think about." And that single sentence carries the power to change your entire life. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant in it will grow. Plant fear and you'll live in hesitation. Plant doubt and you'll see limitations everywhere. But plant faith, plant courage, plant vision, and you'll start to rise. Most people let their thoughts wander without direction. They live on autopilot, reacting, worrying, comparing. But the people who take control of their minds, who deliberately choose their thoughts, they're the ones who build extraordinary lives. You are not your circumstances, you are your mindset. Change your thoughts, and your world begins to follow. Earl Nightingale called it the strangest secret. And the secret is this: you become what you think about. He said, "The only people who succeed are those who deliberately set out to do so." That means you must decide who you want to become. You must hold that vision in your mind every single day. Imagine your mind as the captain of a ship. If you give it clear orders, it will find a way. Through storms, through waves, through darkness, to reach its destination. But if you give it no direction, it drifts aimlessly and eventually crashes. Without a goal, without a purpose, your thoughts scatter and your life follows. So how do you start? First, decide exactly what you want, not just success or happiness. Be clear. What does your dream life look like? Who are you in that life? What are you doing? How do you feel? Second, hold that image in your mind every single day. See it, feel it, believe it. Let it guide your actions. Third, protect your mind. Stop feeding it with negativity. Stop replaying fears. You can't plant flowers in your garden if you keep watering weeds. Your life moves in the direction of your strongest thoughts. So make sure those thoughts are pulling you forward, not holding you back. Without a goal, without a purpose, your thoughts scatter and your life follows. Earl Nightingale said, "Our attitude toward life determines life's attitude toward us." And that's true. When you start thinking like a creator, not a victim, everything changes. You stop waiting, you stop moving, you stop doubting, you start believing. Whatever you want in life already exists. All that's left is for you to align your mind with it and act like it's already yours. So from this moment on, think deliberately, think boldly, think like the person you want to become. Because the truth is, you are becoming what you think about. Every thought is building your future. So guard your mind, feed it with vision, and remember, your life becomes whatever your mind believes. You become what you think about. So think greatness,